2018 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, rear floor mats, Sirius Satellite Radio, brake assist, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, speed control, four-piece floor mat set, low tire pressure warning, radio data system, front wheel independent suspension. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.